Today, I will show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy crashing problems. Before moving on to the video, you can deliver this video by liking to people who are looking for this video. Let's start. There will be many steps in the video. Each step in this video will be solutions that help a lot of people's work. I commented these solutions and made a definite solution for you. That's why I recommend watching the video to the end. In the first step, we will delete our saved files and turn off the ray tracing feature. To do this, we press the Windows and R keys at the same time. In the opened window, we type %localappdata% and click OK. We click on the Hogwarts Legacy folder from among the folders. We click on the saved folder. We click on the save games folder. To add it back, we copy this folder to the desktop. By doing this, when the steps are finished, we can resume playing from where we saved it by putting the file back in its original location. I also recommend deleting the save games folder here. After deleting the save games folder, we click on the config folder. Then we click on the Windows No Editor folder. We double click on the game user settings file. After clicking, if the open with option comes up, you must choose Notepad. Here, as you can see, there are many values. You see 3 ray tracing values under the other. False should be written opposite these values. If true is written here, we change it to false. After making the values false, we click on the file to save. In the opened menu, we click on save. The first 2 steps were this much. Our third step is to change the virtual RAM feature. This solution has solved the problem of too many players on Reddit. First, as in the first step, we open the Run window by pressing the Windows and R keys. In this opened window, we type sysdm.cpl. I will put this word I wrote in the comments, you can copy it from there. After typing, we click OK. In the opened window, we click on Advanced from the top menu. We click on Settings under Performance. Another window will open. Here, we click on Advanced from the top menu. We click on Change at the bottom. As you can see, I cannot click on anything. We need to remove the tick in automatically. After removing it, we see 3 options here. We choose System Manager size from among these options and we click OK. We close the message that says our computer needs to be restarted. We click Apply and then OK. We click Restart later. After completing all the steps, we will restart. Our fourth step is to turn on high performance for Hogwarts Legacy. To do this, we right-click on the desktop and click on Display Settings. We scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. We click on Browse. We need to find the Steam folder. The Steam folder is usually found in the C drive. After we enter the C drive, we go into the Steam folder. We need to go into the folder where our games are located. We click on the Steam Apps folder. We go into the Common folder. Finally, we double click on the Hogwarts Legacy folder. The first thing we see is the Hogwarts Legacy app. We choose it and then click on Add. Then we click on Browse again. This time we go into the Phonics folder, then into Binaries and finally into Win64. We add the Hogwarts Legacy application found here in the same way. We click on Options under the application we add. We select High Performance and click on Save. We repeat the same process for the other application. Our fifth step is to set shadow cache to unlimited on Nvidia graphics card. This limited feature can cause crashing during game launch and gameplay. I don't know how to do it on AMD graphics card. You can learn by looking it up on Google. We right-click on the desktop and click on Nvidia Control Panel. From the left menu, we click on Manage 3D Settings. When we scroll down in the Settings section, we see the shader cache size setting. We hover over the driver default next to this setting and select Unlimited. To save the setting we made, we click on the Apply button on the right button. When the Apply text disappears, it means the setting has been saved. This step is done, and now we have the final step. Our final step is to update the graphics card driver if it is not up to date. You can easily update your graphics card driver using Nvidia GeForce Experience for Nvidia and AMD Radeon software for AMD cards. I will show you through GeForce experience as my graphics card is Nvidia. After opening the application, we click on drivers. We check for updates by clicking on check for updates. I'm waiting for the scan to finish. As my graphics card is up to date, there is no update here. If there is an update for you, you can easily update it. After this step, we restart our computer once before starting the game. Since the game is new, some in-game settings and some graphics card settings may not work properly, and the game may crash. Today, we solve the crash problem by turning off these settings. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.